Here I have ZTE Axon 20 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button hotspot. So by tapping on it once you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change its name, you can change its security protocol, you can change its password, you can hide your device, you can also change its AP band or set both. You can set up one-time data limit. You can manage connected devices, you can set up maximum amount of connections. Here you can see devices which are connected. Here you can add devices to blacklist. In more settings you can also set up hotspot auto-off policy and hotspot notification. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.